Kanega de du dashen Meghalaya ban ngip diang so bhai phi baro shakane ka thup khubor mata ka jan miet shwaban phash ki khubor ki babnya ngenya pe chwai ki mat ba kong san Ong Vice President Kari Ujakdeep Dhankar bakathan te lami ngi kadei uklong snam bat kamen sim jong Kari India Mi bnia umintri rangba ukonrat sangma ya ka jinglong jingman halor ka jingshlei hari luom garo Ong ba polling do badang pli ka sarkar ban penbet ya ka jing e bala penpau de kinong penyat kali kamai Penlong ka Central Puja Committee ya ka jing ya kendu lang ka balai pho ban kentiu ya ka jing ya teli ba ka jing sup hapadeng kiriu nget bat kiniam Bat yo jing menjur ka USTM nakatanat ka kwat kya ka sarkar India bat naka National Medical Commission. Kikhubor ki babnia. U Vice President Kari India Ujakdeep Dhankar mentagasngi ulaong bakathan chite lami ngi kadei uklong snam bat kamin sim jong ka India da ka bakintu yakilat pathai khubor bakin kintiu yakanikathan hakakam jengok kai perthei bat karoi kapar ula banjur bakathan chite lami ngi kamdei tangkathan kabadan tang hakamap jong Kari henrei kadei ka jinglong ba itanat jong ki kolshor ki riti dustur bat ka jing itanat jong ka maryang kabapen pau ya ka jinglong tenrai jong Kari India Habaai jingkren haka da conclave arhajar arpusau bala penlong daka Pratidin Media Network hanong ba Delhi mentagasngi udhankar ula penpau ya ka board jongka Act East Policy ka sarkar pedeng bat ka jing donkam ya kilat pathai khubor haka ba penwandor ya ki khana jongkari
of Northeast while being Governor State of West Bengal. Sonawalji, I happen to be chairman of Eastern Zone Cultural Center. I had the occasion to visit all the states. I know firsthand how rich it is. On occasions, I have defined Northeast bountifully gifted by nature. Put in one crucible, New Zealand, Switzerland, and Scotland, and you will find all taken together will be much short of the wealth of Northeast.
Umintri rangba o Conrad ke sangma madagasngi ula penlong ya ka jingelang khmi benia bantip ya ka jinglong jingman jong ka jingshlei harilom garo kablakta jur habaro santali ki district kamtam South Garo Hills but West Garo Hills ka jingther jong ulabba na do hinden kamit kala wanra ya ka jingshlei haki binta jong ka dalu ha West Garo Hills but ki jakathem komjo ru ka gazau para ha South Garo Hills kala sha akta jur ha ka ba ki jingking kila sha rongno ha ka Usang ma ula batha ru yaki bor badai khmi banwat yaki la jingarap badankam naka sarkar jilla bat ban pentikna ban penyo yaki jingarap ki babyang naka benta kini ki jaka basyakta. Umintri katanat ki kam jengok kai perthei ka sarkar jilla upol lingdo habakren halor ka jing e badang shen hakabiya day bat ka kam jengok kai perthei bat kalet kawan Ula penpau baka sarkar kadang pli ban penbet ya ki jing e bala penpau daki nong penyat kali kamai. Ula kedau ya ki jing ya kren ke badang ya chakmat bat ka komiti ka sarkar ha ka biadai bat ki jing dawa jong ka all KHASI Meghalaya Tourist Taxis Association da ka babanjur ba on sawat ya kilat kilinti da ka jing e trailang bat barok ki liang ka AKMTTA kala a ya ka jing dawa ka bakentup ya sautli ki mat sya umintri rangba ka jella ukonrat ke sangma Hakaba kala kentu ya ka sarkar baka day bansoy ya ka reciprocal transport agreement bat ka Assam.
We had an engagement wherein the KHASI, all KHASI Taxi Drivers Association were also invited and had participated just last week. So that was last week, and next week again the official committee is meeting the associations. See, our mind is still very open. They are talking to the official committee next week. Once those talks move forward, the committee will then apprise me of possible solutions, and I see nothing that can't be solved where this issue is concerned.
Hakabaya day bat kajing penroy ya kakam jengok kai perthei. Uba Paul Lingdo ula penpau ya kajing nang kiu. Jong ke jela Meghalaya kum ke jaka banwan ki nong tem bapau nam ka perthei. Ula penpau baki nong ruai kum u ekon kin sawan ban ruai hakatamasa cherry blossom bat u Brian Adams uban wan ruai ha ubnai nok pra. Kapin i ya kajing long bakerpang jong ke jela. Da ke baong ba ke Meghalaya kala long ke jela ke bapau khmat hakakam jengok kai perthei. Uba Paul ula benrap bawat la don kijing Henry ki lat ki linti ki don bej lada don kijing persang ka basisha ban weng yaki.
And Brian Adams will be performing here in December. These are world-class musicians, and they are drawn to Shillong, they are drawn to Meghalaya, and that very fact is something that has made Meghalaya a brand apart as a tourism.
Ka Central Puja Committee nen kasngi kala penlong ya kajing ya kendo lang ka balai pho kajing ya lang ban kintiu ya kajing ya teli bat kajing sup ha padang kiriu nget bat kiniam ha ka ba ulat ke jella UCH Vijaya Shankar ulah ya shimbenta ha ka de kasngi kum kongsan ha Jagannath Mandir Auditorium. Haba ajing kren ha kadi kajing alang ulat ula banjur bakumno ka Meghalaya ka pen inuksa yaki wegi jella da ka barakhi omtang ya ka Durga Puja Henry man la kajing le niam da ka mensim ya teli da ka bapenne ya kajing ong ka baong unity in diversity da kajing mut ka bashisha. Kindong yalam niam na kiniam bapher ki bana kaniam Hindu, Muslim, Kristan, Sikh but Buddhist kileshim menta ha kani kasngi.
Join together and celebrate the festival. I think this is this festival, how you are going to celebrate here, particularly in this particularly August house. I would like to say the way how you are being conducted and conducting the Navaratri festival. I think this is going to be a standing example rest of the all of the states in the country.
Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare ba Paul Lingdo hanin kesngi ula pentip bagi pulit kidang persangkat bala ban pentikna baka nong khayi drok ba paunam kabla itu kum ka Aisha Khatun baju khot sin kum ka pahari kelasha set patok hapo ka an prevention of illicit traffic in narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances habakeli ba ompat don watang iweru imokodma ha East KHASI Hills ibelasha pengat hapo ka an prevention of illicit traffic in narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances ula ong baki don hinyau teli ki mukaddama ki badang bishar benia menta hagajuk kapor ula pentip baki dorbar shnong bapher jong ka West Shillong kila IT ya kijing ai jingmut halor ka jing thau ya ka Village Defence Party ban yarap hagajing ya khun persha ya udrok.
So it's not in spite of, but it is because of the effort of this government that she is now under custody, and all efforts are being made to ensure that she also is booked under preventive detention, which is provided by BITS and EBS. There are 7 cases that are currently being reviewed. We want to ensure that the system is done such that we do our homework very meticulously, that none of those cases fall through because of lack of evidence and so on.
Ka School ba University of Science and Technology Meghalaya kabla pinskem daka NAAC bat kabla yo ikakerdan A grade university kala yo ya kajing minjur nakatanat ka kot kakia ka sarkar India bat ka National Medical Commission ka minjur ya ka PA Sangma International Medical College and Hospital kum ka ba ya trailang bat ka USTM bat ka sarkar Meghalaya. Kani kajing ai jing menjur ka ailat ya ka college ai jing sumar ban priang shis pa san pongut ki samla puli ha kajing play ya kajing puli MBBS.
Which has been approved by National Medical Commission of India under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, to launch the MBBS program for 150 intake from this academic session 2024. Medical college is in collaboration with the government of Meghalaya with an understanding, although we have not signed the final memorandum of understanding, but entire understanding and negotiation has been completed. That besides the healthcare facility free of cost for the patient of Meghalaya in general.
Ka Hinyau Trap Youth Council kalaya kendo yau MP ka Shillong u Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkan hariang do West KHASI Hills ban matpang halor ka jing don kam kirki ban shnai ki surok ha West KHASI Hills. Ka HYC kala banjur halor ka jing kongsan jong ki surok na mau thir kirshai, mau ej kulang, nong stony mau kerwat, nong kasen kenro, nong jeli nong knup, sok pian nong stony bat wiang tonghor athiabari. Kila kenturu yau MP ban penyo nok kloy ka skim shna surok kabla sakut ka PMGSY. Ka HYC ka ngej bakini ki project ken wan rae ka roy ka par ha kani kathan.
Kada ban yo no sanap teng na mo et na magi kani ka ba tre mata ka kudu mo et kan don ka surok ko biang ha ni men suang la yo bana ta ka don kita kan satre kita ka tulen re mata pan ngi ba kan tre ka tre da ka surok ba longkat ka PMGSY din na kalyang jungi ka pat ya ban yarap lem bat yo na ba kan long ka jing kerku bat kan long ka jing itanat ya kan sen tau ka jungi ka ta ka di ka pat jungi marka we ki PMGSY ni kini ki PMGSY ki bobun ka ban na kalyang jung ka office Birudi kalau hak syaka tenat menrai haduk mentakin patre gibo pun napuknya ke west sir ngamlak banjar.
Kombasan teli ki long yeng hakasnong nong spong B ka bahap hapo ka umling CNRD block. Kila syak tak jur na ka jingling shop ki bor ka Mariang ha ka baki jaka sa jongki kila syak tap ha usyap bat ka kti bat ka bla penjulor ru ya ka jingthung jingtep jongki. Kat kum gajing etho jong rang ba snong uba pelimon tongper bat return sumer kila pentip baka jinglong jingman kamdei tang baka penthut ya gajing em jongki ba man la ka sngi henry kala bu jingmaru ya ka kamai ka ji jongki namar baki jingthung jingtep kila sha taplup bat sha rong no ha ka khendau kti kila pentip ru bakini ki long yeng ki bla sha akta kila dep ban ujor da ka ejahar ha piling kata police outpost bat hadu menta ompat shem lale AA halor ka de ka jingling shop jongki bor ka Mariang.
Belum em, long berarti kan udah kaplan deh, kaplan kemudian biang cuti nanti penting ini dah kebiang plan em, kerja jangan sini kamu tak.
Baik hi la dukat kanisen bat ne prajaka, ni la dawa he pensil, ni rayu ong bansil tengimla, ni kuat petang ban penkut ya tu siap ong kita. Ni pat la siap penjulor ka ying la duk ka ying te ban penkut mentoy ayo. Udah hiban siu kan kat kejing du nong yang ni.
Ka Limpung 12 Chartister Kharkongor Memorial Trophy First Division Football Tournament Arhajar Arpusau belapen long daka West Jaintia District Sports Association kelas dang hanin kesngi hakiang nangba stadium. Mentau snem ki don khat artli ki kinhon nyelekai bat ki sports clubs ki beshim benta hakane ka Limpung ya ka bala phia haki artli ki group. Ki kinhon ki bawan syakmat na ki artli ki group kin yo rung syaka semi-finals bat kinya kene ban poi syaka final. Ka jingele kai ka baningkong kala long hinin kesngi ha ka baka khimus nyang kala penrem no ya ka chut waku dalai la iwe ka badai ka jingele kai play ya kane ka Limpung. Mentapat nginya pet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun medang hanong ba Shillong. Ka jing kriat ka long khat real point iwe degree Celsius bat ka jing shet ka long khat pra point nyaw degree Celsius. Ka jing sngam ka haw ka long shispa na ka shispa ha ka por min step bat khandai pusaw na ka shispa ha ka por janmit. Ka jing hap slap ka long saw pusaw millimeters kala bandon ka jing hap slap ka ba malumala bat ka jing tiet uperthat habon ki jaka. Shwaban poi syaka bakut jong ka thup khubor nginya pet biang sashi sien ye kimat bakong san. Ong Vice President Kari ujak dip dhankar bakathan chate lammi ngi kadai uklong snam bat kamensin jong Kari India. Mi benya menteri rangba ukon rat sangma ya ka jinglong jingman halor ka jing shlei hari lom garo. Ong uba Paul Lingdo badang play ka sarkar ban penbet ya ka jing bala penpau da kinong penyat kali kamai. Penlong ka Central Puja Committee ya kajing ya kenduk lang ka balai po ban kintiu ya kajing ya teli bat kajing suk ha padang kidiu ngej bat kiniam. Bat yo jing menjur ka USTM na katanat ka kot ka kia ka sarkar India bat na ka National Medical Commission. te parlok katong ila poi syaka bakut jong katup kubor jungi menta ka janmit hadu ben siam biang bat pi la syai ka sngi kublei pi baro